Alright guys, so I recently got asked about redneck weapons for a zombie apocalypse. So this isn't really a planned out thing, but I did get a saw blade, and back here I got a trap thrower. General idea is I'm going to try to convert this over to launch saw blades. I have no idea what's about to happen. This is going to be the first time I've ever tried anything like this, so I don't know. Hopefully nothing dies, especially me. Alright, well, it took me a few minutes to find it, but I found it. Got probably a good 50 yards out of it. Painted it orange so it'd be a little bit easier to find. It really didn't help too much. I was maybe 5 feet away before I saw it, but we'll go on, try it one more time, see what happens. Pretty much same thing, about 50 yards, it's shooting to the left. So I'm probably going to play with it a little bit, probably modify this guy to where have something else down here so the blade stays flat and it doesn't pick up like this when it goes to launch. And I'll probably wind up swapping this angle iron out for something a little bit more stable, but anyway, we'll see what happens with it. Till next time, have fun guys.